Today we'll study about the properties of definite integral. Look at here. Properties of definite integral. So, sure to get 2 questions from here. 4 for 8 marks. So let's do it very nicely in details. So first property is 0 to a fx dx. 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is our first property. So see what are the possible questions based on this. See, start with a small question. Suppose you have, look at the limit should be 0 to a form, 0 to anything, 0 to pi by 2, suppose sin square x dx. So earlier what you are doing, you are using the formula sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That was lengthy. There is another method, but condition is the limit should be 0 to a form. So let's write I equals to 0 to a fx dx, so sin square x dx. Use 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Look at what changes you are making here. This is x becomes a minus x. That means of this x will become, this is pi by 2. Our x will become pi by 2 minus x. Okay? A minus x, so pi by 2 minus x. So that will be so I is 0 to pi by 2 sin square pi by 2 minus x. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So that will be 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This is also I. This is second. This is your first. Adding 1 and 2. If you add these two, what will you get? Adding 1 and 2, left side will be I and I will be 2i. Limit is same here, 0 to pi by 2. You have to add sin square x plus cos square x dx. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. Therefore 2i equals to dx means x, 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. So 2i equals to pi by 2 minus 0. Therefore, I equals to 2 will come down pi by 4. Second, suppose I take a question. 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus 10x root over. How to solve this? Now, we have to do a simplification of this. So, simplification is, let's write in the form of sin and cos. So implies I equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus sin x root over by cos x root over. Look at after LCM will be root cos x. Here is root cos x plus sin x, but this will go to numerator. So I will be equal to this will go to numerator because after LCM. So cos x root over by cos x plus sin x 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now this is your equation number 1. First you have done a simplification, brought to a standard form. Now use 0 to a fx dx 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So look at what changes you are making. I am repeating again. X becomes a minus x, means this x will change. This will be cos pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x. So implies I equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus x under square root by cos pi by 2 minus x under square root plus sin pi by 2 minus x under square root. So one more line, I equals to 0 to pi by 2 sin x root over sin x root over cos x root over. This is your equation number 2 after using formula. Okay, now look at here, denominator is same. So when adding 1 into, that will be 2y, denominator same, add the numerator. So adding 1 into adding 1 into 2y 0 to pi by 2, denominator is same, sin x root over cos x root over. What is numerator? Root sin x, root cos x. Root sin x plus root sin x plus root cos x. Yes, cancel. It's simple. If you use formula, is very simple. Then 2y equals to 0 to pi by 2 dx, because integration cancel dx. So 2y equals to x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. Now same procedure, upper limit minus lower limit. So what are you going to get? 2y equals to pi by 2 minus 0. I equals to pi by 2. Okay. This is one pattern. With the same formula, we have a different pattern here. Suppose 0 to 1 x 1 minus x power is n dx. Okay, you cannot multiply here. If this is like this, you can multiply x to the power n into 1, x to the power n into x. Then you can integrate. But this is not like this. This is in this form. So how to simplify it? So we take the help of formula that will help us to simplify. So use 0 to a fx dx 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So that will be 0 to 1, x becomes a minus x becomes 1 minus x. x becomes a minus x. So x will become 1 minus x. 1 minus x, 1 minus x power in z. Only property you are using. So that became I equals to 0 to 1, 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 plus x power in z. Just cancel. So new form is I equals to 1 minus x, x to the power n dx. Look at it. This was your question. You are not able to multiply, but after using property, this is the new form which you can multiply. Here adding 1 and 2 is not required. Your formula you have used, you have brought to a standard form. Now you can multiply and integrate. So that will be I equals to 0 to 1 x to the power n dx minus 0 to 1 x to the power n plus 1 dx. Why n plus 1? Because you are multiplying these two. Now integrate x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 0 to 1. This is x to the power n plus 1, n plus 2 by n plus 2, 0 to 1. So 1 by n plus 1 is constant, you can keep it outside. 1 by n plus 1. This is 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 0 to the power n plus 1. Similarly, 1 by n plus 2 you can keep outside. 1 to the power n plus 2 minus 0 to the power n plus 2. Okay. Same thing you can understand here. 0 ka any power is 0. This is 0. So left out is, look, 1 ka any power is 1. So this will be 1 by n plus 1 into 1 minus 1 by n plus 2 into 1. So that is n plus 1, n plus 2. This will go here. N plus 2 minus n plus 1. What gives you? That is, n is cancelled, 1 by n plus 1, n plus 2. This is your answer. So I will give a similar question to this, you will solve. That is also your textbook question. That is, question is 0 to 2 x into root over of 2 minus x. Directly you cannot multiply, but if you use the property, it will be simplified. Try to use property here just like this. Okay, let's go to a new question. What is that question again? 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus 10x. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x. Okay, how to do? So in this case, first we use the property. This is your I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x dx. Property 1. Property 1 use करो. Use 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10 a minus x, pi by 4 minus x. Okay, now I am to tell you one thing. 10 pi by 4 minus x in the inverse circular function, I have told you formula. It is 1 minus 10x by 1 plus 10x. So I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1 minus 10x 1 plus 10x. So I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log, this will go here, 1 plus 10x plus 1 minus 10x divided by 1 plus 10x. This gets cancelled. So I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 by 1 plus 10x. This is simplified form using formula. Now adding, this is your equation number 2. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Left side will be 2y. 0 to pi by 4. First one is log 1 plus 10x plus second one is log 2 by 1 plus 10x dx. Okay, this is what? Log a plus log b, that is log a into b. So you can use log a plus log b, log a plus log b equals to log ab. Ab means a into b. So 2y equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x into 2 by 1 plus 10x. This is cancelled. What did you get? Log 2 only. So 2y equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx. Log 2 is a constant, it will remain outside, only integration of dx. So 2y equals to log 2 taking out 0 to pi by 4 dx. So dx का integration है x. 2y equals to log 2. This is x, limit is 0 to pi by 4. So for the limit, pi by 4 will come here. 2y equals to log 2 pi by 4 minus 0. Therefore I equals to these two, if I divide here, because this is multiplication form. So 2 if I divide, that will be pi by 8. So that is pi by 8 log 2. So this is your answer. It's very interesting if you use the technique. See again another question. If I take question number 10, 0 to pi by 2, 2 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x. Okay, how to solve? Clue is here, it is 0 to a form, but try to simplify, make it one form. Otherwise it is very complicated here. So power will come here, that will be 0 to pi by 2 log sin square x minus log sin 2x dx. So log a minus log b, log a by b, that is 0 to pi by 2 log sin square x by sin 2x. Log a by b, what is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x cos x means I equals to 0 to pi by 2 log sin square x by 2 sin x cos x. Okay, one sign is cancelled. So I equals to 0 to pi by 2 log sin by cos is 10x. 10x by 2. Simplified now. This is simplified. Now if you use property here, that will be very simple for you. So it will be very simple, means pi by 2 minus x again. So use the formula. Use 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So I equals to 0 to pi by 2 log 10 pi by 2 minus x by 2. What is 1090 minus theta? Cos theta. So I equals to 0 to pi by 2 log 1090 minus theta is cot x by 2 dx. Now this is your equation number 2. So adding 1 into 1 is this, 2 is this, that will be log a plus log b form. So you can write adding 1 into you are getting 2y equals to 0 to pi by 2 log 10x by 2 plus log cot x by 2 dx. So log a plus log b. So 2y is the same. Log a plus log b is log a into b. A into b means what? 2y equals to 0 to pi by 2 log 10x by 2 into cot x by 2. What is 10x into cot x? Since 10x into cot x equals to 1. You studied in class 10? 10x into cot x is 1. That means this is 1 by 4. So 2y equals to 0 to pi by 2 log 1 by 4 dx. Now you can see log 1 by 4 is constant, dx का integration is x. So 2y equals to log 1 by 4 x limiting 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so pi by 2 minus x, I equals 2y equals to log 1 by 4 pi by 2 minus x, sorry, minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. So this 2 will come here, that will be I equals to pi by 4, but 2 will go down, pi by 4 log 1 by 4. Okay, here you need to simplify. So pi by 4 log 1 minus log 4. 4 can I write 2 square. Log a by b is log a minus log b. Since log 1 equals to 0, it is 0 here. Now this 2 will come here. That is pi by 4 0 minus 2 log 2. This 2 I can bring here. Now pi by 4 into 2 is minus pi by 2 log 2. Pi by 4 into 2 is pi by 2 log 2. Okay, so here let's take one more. Suppose the question is important question, that is 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx. The complication started. What complication is? You have to remove this x, then only you can integrate. How to remove x? Now use property, x will be cancelled, because with this you cannot simplify here. So use property, use, this is I 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So look this question very carefully. I have to cancel this x. So I equals to 0 to pi, x becomes pi minus x. This x will change. Pi minus x 1 plus sin pi minus x. Zero to pi minus x 1 plus sin 180 minus theta, second quadrant positive, sin x 2. Now adding 1 into, look at denominator is same, so numerator will be added here. So adding 1 into, you get I and I is 2y. 2y equals to 0 to pi, this is x plus pi minus x 1 plus sin x. ये तो कैंसिल हो गया. dx, that means what you could do with this, you have cancelled x. Now left out is I equals to, this pi will come outside, pi by 2, 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. How to integrate now? I think I had told you in the indefinite integral exercise 7.2 that you could multiply the conjugate to simplify this kind of question. So pi by 2 0 to pi 1 into 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x, conjugate means 1 minus sin x. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b, that is pi by 2, 0 to pi, 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square x. Because a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So what did you get? 1 minus sin square x is cos square x, which is pi by 2, 0 to pi, 1 minus sin x by cos square x. So what benefit? There are two terms here, I made it single term so that you can divide it. That is pi by 2, 0 to pi, 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos x, let's write. Okay, so bit lengthy, but question comes like this: pi by 2, 0 to pi, this is sec square x minus sin by cos is tan x, 1 by cos is sec x. Okay, now we got direct formula: sec x, sec square x का tan x, tan x minus sec x, 0 to pi. Now upper limit minus lower limit, so you get pi by 2 upper limit pi, tan pi minus sec pi minus tan 0 minus sec 0 equals to pi by 2, tan pi 0, sec pi is minus 1. Tan pi 0, sec pi is minus 1. Tan 0 is 0, sec 0 is also 1. Sec 0 is 1. So that is pi by 2 minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus 1. That means pi by 2 into 2. That is pi. Okay. Let's take one more question like that. I'll take that question from your miscellaneous exercise. Let me check that question. There is a question: 0 to pi, x tan x by sec x cos tan x. Okay, this is suppose I can write. This is our question. What is the first step? You have to cancel out this x, because x if remains you cannot integrate. So to cancel x, I have to use the property. Use 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So I equals to 0 to pi, all x 1 2 3 4, all x will become a minus x, मतलब pi minus x, pi minus x 10 pi minus x sec pi minus x plus 10 pi minus x dx. Okay, I'll talk about your quadrant. Pi minus theta. In this quadrant, which one is positive? Only sign is positive. That means this will be negative. This is also negative. This is automatically negative. So, what do you get here? So, I equals to 0 to pi minus x. This is minus 10x. Okay, this is minus sec x. This is minus 10x. Got it? Now look here. If I take minus common, and this minus will be cancelled. So I equals to 0 to pi. If I take minus common, pi minus x, 10x. Okay. Denominator minus common, sec x plus 10x. It's minus x cancelled. This is your equation number 2. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. 2y. 0 to pi. Denominator is same. Both is same. Denominator is same. Sec x plus 10x. The first was x 10x. Now look at this part. If I multiply pi 10x minus x 10x. So this is cancelled. What is left out? Pi 10x, pi 10x, this 2 I will take down. So I equals to 0 to pi. If I take out this pi, it will be pi by 2. This 2 I have taken down. 10x by sec x plus 10x. So how did you get the help from this property? Now the x is cancelled. Only trigonometry functions multiply its conjugate. So you will get pi by 2 10x by into sec x minus 10x by sec x plus 10x sec x minus 10x. Conjugate, its conjugate I have done here. Now this will be sec square x minus 10 square x pi by 2 10x sec x 0 to pi, don't forget, minus 10 square x by sec square x minus 10 square x dx. What is sec square theta minus 10 square theta? Sec square theta minus 10 square theta. Go back to class 10. That is 1. That means your denominator is gone. Denominator is gone. Only numerator. Pi by 2. 0 to pi. 10x sec x minus 10 square तक cannot be integrated. So you write here sec square x minus 1. You have to remember formula, then only you can do. If you cannot remember formula, it is not possible. 10 square cannot be integrated, but sec square can be integrated. So that will give you pi by 2 10x sec x is sec x, sec square x is 10x, this minus minus is plus, 1 dx is x, 0 to pi. Okay. Now let's put pi in all the x. That will be pi by 2 sec pi minus 10 pi plus pi minus sec 0 minus tan 0 plus 0. Okay, sec pi का वैल्यू minus 1, pi by 2 minus 1 minus 0 plus pi. Okay, minus sec 0 is 1 minus 0 plus 0, pi by 2. This is pi. Minus 1 is minus 2. This is your answer. So property 1 is over. Property 2 bit difficult, but even then we will continue tomorrow with the property 2.